This is like with hot water. It's either too loud or too not loud. I have started this task without you. This is a daily challenge on LeetCode. My plan is to resolve or not resolve this one. Oh god, I didn't update the YouTube, I guess. Go to live. Yeah, no, I'm already live. Great. Let me change the name. The thumbnail is fine. Okay, I don't need to change anything. Awesome. Although I just realized I didn't update the thumbnail of yesterday's stream, which is showing us if it is live, and I have the gray button for that. And I need to also write 27th March, January, February, March, 27, 2025. And yeah, this is for yesterday, today is 28th. Yeah, I hope I will resolve the Tasky task faster today. Tasky task. Task. Task? Is it task? Who knows? And after I will resolve this daily challenge. God, please, where is it? Oh, you can see this. No, you can't. That's good. I post this, I post this, I post that. This is going fine, this is going fine as well. The sound is... And the sound is gone. Hey, 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 I need new. Awesome. Yeah, I have started a bit this task already. So this is sort of the like water filling task. You need to find out what water can fill with a certain level of it, starting from the top left corner. And addition on top of this like water filling stuff, there is a queries. So like you need to respond to different water levels in the same calculation. What I have done so far is basically preparation. I was testing different theories in the meantime, understanding this task. So I'm right now created a result map, which will be basically results as a values, and keys will be initial order of the like keys are the values from the queries, but ordered ones. So I will be figuring out how I can fill the area with like lowest level of the water, then with higher level of the water, and with highest. And then when I will fill this like result map, before returning like a proper order of the corresponding to queries, I will be like deassembling this result map into a proper array of coinciding values. On the other hand, I have created this cell priority map, which is a bit more complicated thing. It will have... It's sorted by the key, I believe so. I hope so. It should be sorted by the key. And the key will be basically the sort of current level of water that I'm testing against, and the value will be like a list or array list of the neighbors. So it's like current level to how's it called? I just realized there might be a problem. To list of not processed pairs. Yeah, I just realized the problem that I could add multiple, a single cell multiple times in this place. Yeah, I will figure that out. It should not be array. It should be basically a set. Kotlin ordered set. Linked hash set. Ordered set. I don't like that it's ordered linked hash set. Tree set sounds like tree set is the thing. Give me a few seconds here. We'll be back in a moment. Yeah, I don't care about order in this set. Unordered set. Let's order it. Order it. Yeah, I often misuse generic unordered. So unordered means that they are again being sorted instantly, and ordered means that the order you put things into the set reserves. So yeah, the only thing I need to change here from array is to use the set to list of unique non-processed pairs. Unique. Yep. So yeah, now we will go. We will do while. Cell priority map. Okay, I need to copy these into this thing that I'm using, or oh god, how to do this? Max point. Let's create a test case here instantly. No, list of int. List of to the array Kotlin array column array array of, int array of. Yeah, this is what I need. Amazing. Doesn't new line will break the whole thing? No? Okay, array of and here another thing will be also like int array, right? Int array of. So here we will paste these examples. And here I will duplicate this just one more time and we'll be recopying this example. This example. And this example. I wonder, do I lose subscribers on this? Yeah, I do. On these, how's it called? The coding streams. Cool. Anyway. This will be 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it makes sense. It should be like this. 3, 2, 5, 7, 3, 5, 1. I will run it actually, just to check self-input. So, okay, it should be a smaller letter here. While I will comment it out. Argument type mismatch. Actual type is like, oh, okay. Okay, I need to figure out what's the set. Okay, so it should be a little bit get or default. This, and by default we will be creating like set of pair int right, and then we will be doing add. Now let's try to add pair 0, 0. So basically we are receiving the set from here. Get or default. Sorted by Kotlin, get or default. Sorted by. Is sorted to sorted? No. Get or default, sorted by. Map, get or default. I wonder if it's pointer. It shouldn't be like a deep copy of the set. Anyway, let's try to compile this. Set. What kind of interface we have in the set? Add. Contains all. Iterator is empty. I guess it's like collection. There should be add here, no? I mean, variable temp equal to this, and then temp add pair 0, 0. I mean, this should be set pair int. On result temp. What do you think it is? this sequence. I cannot like add element to the set. My god, Kotlin, please. No, I'm somewhere different. A generic unordered collection of elements that does not support duplicate elements. Method in this interface supports only read-only access. Supported by mutable set interface, okay. Mutable set. Mutable set. Got here, and I need to duplicate it in here. And now I should be able to add. Am I? Yeah. And I will add pair of 0 and 0. Yeah. Please. Set of. Maybe I need to write mutable set of. Cool. Now it is what is this? What? Println to string. Will this work? No, it doesn't. I mean, to string is being called. So what are we? Int array. Kotlin int array to string. Content to string. I mean, why the string is not happening by default? I don't know. Why do I need content to string to get different value from toString function? But whatever. Because it's pointer or something, whatever. It doesn't matter anymore. So cool. This is working. Oh no! Geronimo! This is also working. Cool. And now, while cell priority map, yeah, this is why I copied it here. Get iterator or something? No, I cannot use iterator here. Priority map Kotlin. I mean, priority, or how is it called there? The type of it. Sorted map. Kotlin, where is it? Sorted map, Kotlin, map sorted. Okay, what do you return? You return sorted map, and I couldn't have seen this. Okay. Minimum. Like first key. Yep, amazing. Empty? While cell priority map is not empty. Let's copy this first key. Empty. Is empty. Cool. Is empty. Value current key. First key from this map. First key, current key. Then we will do value, another value, current set equals to cell priority get. Let's do with the get key. Now if actually get or default mutable set of pairs as always. If current while. Do we do another? No, we shouldn't do another while. Or do we care about another while? We can empty this set. Yeah, let's do while. While we can empty this set and then return to the set that is lower level and then refill this one again. Yeah, I think I cannot avoid this, so we can do with while. So basically current set is empty. And we will do some operations in the middle. And in the end, like when we exited this while, current set is empty, obviously. So what we will do cell priority map remove. Is there remove here? Oh yeah, remove. First key head map returns a view of the portion of this map whose key are strictly less than 2 key. Oh, okay, makes sense. Okay, so we will do remove. Where am I? Remove. We'll provide current key. You know what? Key. I will remove all the current thing. It doesn't make sense. Remove key. And then we will proceed to checking if the priority map has anything in it. Yep, that sounds alright to me. So, within the set, what are we doing? We are taking variable pair from basically set get or default or what do we do with the set? We know that it's not empty, we just checked it. What is this? This is a mutable set. Kotlin mutable set. Kotlin mutable set. What can we do with it? Is like add all. Set clear contains all is empty. Iterator remove. Remove all, retain all. Can we like pop or something? Mutable collection. Pop. Add, clear contains is empty. Iterator, remove all, retain all. Mutable collection, not mutable one. We need mutable, a generic collection of elements that supports adding and removing elements. So by calling remove, we receiving boolean as a response. So yeah, we will need to get iterator. Like, is there, okay, Kotlin mutable collection get first. Okay, I will do just element at 0. Nice. Pair set element at 0. And then we will do set remove pair. Cool. Now, let's add all the neighbors to the cell priority map for now. I'm still not doing anything like functional from the perspective of the task. I'm just setting up traversal of the area. So if pair first, and now we will need this. No, we will soon need this. If where am I? If pair first more than 0, cell priority map get or default. Will it return default or will it get default? Get or default returns the value to which the specified key is mapped, or default value if this map contains no mapping for the key source. Will this insert the default value into the map? Here's my question. And we will figure it out later. Welcome back to the stream, Koha Games. Fellow 9 years old, 9 years of experience developer here. How is it going? Doing alright. Doing the... I started like doing some coding recently on the stream as part of preparation, but it might be just a good idea to start stream with coding of the challenge from LeetCode, like daily challenge. And then I will be switching to the game. Yep. 9 years of experience. Which language are you using? What is the industry? Let's assume that get or default does insert the default into the set, but anyway, we are receiving this set, and we set the... we add current pair. We add new pair where the pair first is decreased by 1. Okay. I now see a bigger problem. But anyway, let's finish this iteration. And pair dot second. So now we will repeat 4 of these to populate the set, the whole thing. I'm a data engineer, so I mainly focus on distributed systems. Spark, Kafka, Python, APIs, via fast API, etc. Okay, I see. That's a lot of fun. Sounds like a lot of fun. Distributed engineer, data engineer. Yeah, I mean, Kotlin should be something you could be interested in. So let's do the same for the second, then we'll do something similar to the first and thing for the second. But now we will check if it's like less than n here and less than m here. Oh god, what am I doing? Then m here. M? Is it m though? Grid size. Okay, we will do this -1. Oh, it's done like, iterator, index, last index. I've been doing something like this yesterday. Kotlin array last index. Yeah, last index. Last index and last index here. If it's less than n, less than m, then we can proceed to +1. So let's do with the second -1 here first. Then we will do with the +1 for the first and +1 for the second. Is it second? Yeah, it is second. Cool. So while doing this traversal, I just realized that set wouldn't do it for me for like revisitability thing, so I can like switch back to array. This will save me some time, I think. Yeah, I can only enter into the cell from 4 directions. So having n log n addition of the cells into this set will be scaling with n, and if I will have just array here, I would not have more than 4 appearances of a single cell, so I will not be scaling with n in logarithmic way. I will be scaling linearly. So let's do array here again, and here we will be doing mutable array. Now this is not a set anymore, this will be array, and this will be mutable array. Off. Okay, cool. And bunch of arrays here again. Set pair array. But on the other hand, I will need to have this visited grid thing that I already prepared before and decided to not use for some reason. But we will add basically another check here. If visited grid from pair first, pair second, is true, we will continue and skip checking this thing. Otherwise, we will set the visited thing to true, as default is false. Cool. So this is basically, this small piece of code is like not really related to the task itself. It's rather for traversing the multi-array and marking what did we visit. Now let's add some rules, like task, some rules that are this task related. One of them we are already having result map. So key array. At this point, when we have key from priority map, we know if result map key inquiries. We will need a variable that will be representing how far into the result map we already, how much of the result map we already processed. And let's do next. This will be result map progress. And it will start with result map we need first key. Okay, Kotlin map first entry. Okay, I can just get it. First entry. Okay, so what I need is like first key. Kotlin map first key. Okay, I can do like keys and do 0. But I can feel like this will create another structure, which shouldn't be. Okay, let's check if this is still working, all of this. Line sorting, first error. Oh god. And could be renamed to underscore. Parameter iterator int. Should I do like it and then this? Nope. Okay, as always, let's copy this to like somewhat an editor and try to figure out this in an actual editor. So let me see. Let's try to. Okay, it's already highlighting the problems. So here's the first problem. Actual type is Boolean, but function 1 int Boolean was expected. This is some suggestion I found online, and it is like map specific multiple mutable set. How is it called? Multi array, dimensional array coupling. To the array in Kotlin. So here is the suggestion. Okay, it's not the array of. I like this if it's working. Now let's do this array 6, comma. I need to end this in here. Now let's do e to boolean array where I do j to false. And first I need to do the size n, j to false. And this should be also in the brackets like this. Let's check if this is working. It's not really mutable array of. Let's check. No, I cannot check this. ij int is never used. Consider remaining to empty. False. Okay, so this is what will work out without warning. Okay, now get default or mutable array of. Unknown mutable array of. Is array of already enough for Kotlin? Yeah, mutable list. So array is always mutable, right? Maybe I need a list. List of. And then I need mutable list of. Because I don't want this to be a primitive. Because I have feeling. Okay, you know what? Let's keep the array. And if it's not like directly modifiable, it will be super sad. The add is not working for array for some reason. Yeah, okay, so there is this should be list because as array visited grid array. This is mutable, so I need list boolean list here. I mean, this should be modifiable. Like, am I not allowed to modify this? 0, 0. True. That was a bit stupid, but whatever. Okay, so this is modifiable. Cool. Why this is not modifiable? What is this? Temp? Temp. There is no add in array? Okay. I forgot about that funny way of doing things. So we are doing pair 0, 0 right here. What it was in here? Mutable, no. Add pair 0, 0. Yep. Result map progress. I just messed up 2 letters in the name. Now the error again is here. None of the following candidate is applicable. Function mutable collection. Why is it mutable though? Oh, mutable collection. No get operator method providing array access. Providing no get. None of the following candidates is applicable. Mutable map, mutable something, get or default, array of get or default. Okay, so again, variable temp equals this, and then temp plus equal. Oh, it's because here is the list array. Yep, that is a mistake on my end. Array. Result map. Again, reverted too much. Variable expected. Where? Okay, let's do this with temp variable, which we will later get rid of. And let's make all the code working for now. Assigned value is never read. It's not a big deal. The variable property is never written to. It can be declared as value. Result map progress. Let's set it as value for now. Variable is unused. No get operator method is used. I'm planning to, but I need some time for this. Cool. Set array. This var parameter is never written to. Yep, it shouldn't be changing here. Yeah, I don't think I need the first element, Kotlin last array last element. Is there like a pop? Pop? Nope. Is there like last index? Yeah, this is what I need. So what I will do, pair array add array last index and array remove last index. So we will be iterating from the right. It doesn't matter for us. Array last index. Yep, that makes sense. None of the following candidates is applicable. Array. I got it. I hear you. Is there like remove? We can reduce by 1, right? List of ABCD. Reduce. What is ACC? String to ACC string. No, reduce is not what we need. Reduce indexed. Reduce right. Still I need some weird stuff. Reduce to. Remove last. What are you working on? I'm doing the daily quest for LeetCode. I hope I will finish it within an hour. This is not estimation. This is literally my hope. And then I will switch to Nest of Thorns. Remove last. Yep, that will work for me. I'm not familiar with Kotlin. I'm not super experienced with LeetCode in particular. So yeah, doing some learnings here. Where I was here. So remove last. Does it return the value? Yeah, it returns the value. This is amazing. Array, remove last. Yeah, I'm not using the LeetCode because suggestions are not happening here. You need premium for that, so I'm using like Kotlin website stuff to do that. Cannot infer type for this parameter. Specify it explicitly. Pair int. This didn't help. None of the following candidates. Mutable list. Why is it list? This is not a list. Did I? Yeah, array of. How is it list? Why? What is happening? I just dropped away to using halving doubling to cut down on clock loops tonight. Proved the concept on randomly selected game dev stream. War scene, 90 kilobyte, extremely efficient. Basically solved graphics, the worst problem ever. What do you mean, like, are you talking about like game dev and skipping the frames for like some calculations? So like calculating every second frame or so? Yeah, I'm not sure what you are talking about. Each binary iteration can be skipped. Scaling logic, like complex functions. If you're talking about like rendering stuff, and this is something common, I'm no expert in rendering in particular. Scaling, and I'm not particularly well educated in like image scaling algorithms, so yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not picking up what you are talking about. So I'm having problem with this with this. This is never assigned. Unresolved reference. Remove last. None of the following candidates is applicable because of the... Okay, let's specify that this array is array of pair int pair. Will this help? Remove last. Now it's like not happy at all. Do you like this? So, okay, array in Kotlin is not mutable list. Okay, this can be applied only on mutable list. Mutable, blah blah blah. Maps, Kotlin collections, Kotlin array. Where is Kotlin array? Reflect. Array. Arrow. Awesome. Okay, let's get back to the original plan, where I will basically get the last index and remove by that index as well. Will you take this as a solution? I mean every single compute process at the root level improved, because true-false can also be interpreted as half, double, to finish the loops faster. All binary settings, all binary strings can be cut in half over and over down to base function, including odds, if you use the ordering schema x equal to multiplied by x divided by 2, all natural numbers. I have no idea, sorry. I mean, I see some connections in what you're saying, but I see no common picture, if that makes sense. Got it. Array, remove. Okay, I'm asking ChatGPT. Yeah, but I was referencing this particular stuff. Is like skipping the frames, for example, or like splitting the processing data into like 2 chunks and updating it iteratively, like one first, another second. This is also an idea behind interpolated videos, where you like update not every line of the video, but like for one frame you update odd numbers, and for another even numbers of lines. Yeah, okay. So if this is what you're referencing, yeah, this is cool technique. in many cases, but you are losing data. That's important stuff. You cannot do precise calculations like that. Okay, array, reduce. You know what? I will take ChatGPT if I'm already there. Delete ChatGPT. Hey, ChatGPT! Kotlin array, I need to retrieve last element and remove it. Yeah, you can make an emulator of if you don't have parallel processors to switch between binary and scaling interpretations. This is new, I'm quite sure. That's cool, well done. I'm happy for you, even though I'm not completely understand what you're talking about, but I'm glad you got breakthrough there. Using this technique. Last element, remove at. Yes, yes. Size. Size -1. You suck, ChatGPT. Even I know how to do it better. Come back here. Remove it. Last index. ChatGPT. What? Yeah, remove it is not existing. Thank you, ChatGPT. That was crazy helpful. Immutable list of. Using array. Okay. Two mutable. Yeah, okay, so I was expecting this. I need to learn more about this. So the idea, as I was referencing before, I should have been used mutable list from the very beginning here. Of mutable list of, array of mutable list of, list. Here this will be a list now. Pair list, remove it, list last index. And here we can safely now do add pair and remove this temporary variable. Okay. What kind of lesson have I learned? To write this stuff from small letter, for example. Supercompute with one software patch. Still 100 clock cycles. It's one for many processes. Awesome, well done. Mutable list of. Kotlin array, remove last element. Oh god. Mutable list of. Mutable. Mutable. What? Kotlin, mutable list of. Why is it no? Mutable list of. Integer. Oh, this is type list. Probably mutable list. Yeah. Too many copy pastes there. Okay, not. That's fun thing to see. Here, I guess, also not. Unresolved, not. For operator, not. Is empty, is empty. Why? Like, I will run it again. Reference array. Okay, list. Okay, that's my bad, sorry. Good luck figuring that out, homie. It's the new standard. NVIDIA watches me like a hawk. Have a solid night. Have a good night. See you. Thanks for coming, for joining the stream. Okay, finally, this is working piece of code. So what do we have so far? We have traversal functionality. We have visiting functionality. Now let's do evaluation of what we can visit and what we can't. So yeah, when we retrieve this key, let's check if it's working here as well. Is it working here and not working there? Should I like remove these brackets or something? Will you like this more? No. I will just ask ChatGPT just again. Error. Kotlin. Code. Do your magic. I don't care what is happening. I care about solving it. And okay, thank you. So this is what it wants me to do. Will you be happy? I wonder if this thing will be happy with that kind of announcement. You're still not happy? What about you? Do you like this more? Yeah, you like both of those. You don't care. And this little piece of compiler doesn't like either. This creates the Boolean array of size m by n, initializing with false values. Okay, you want me to remove false as well. I guess this thing will still like it. Should I do like Boolean array here? Yeah, there is some problem happening here with typings, in my opinion. Where's my... This still produces an error. We'll copy this stuff. Okay, makes sense. You will probably like it, because you don't care. Yes? And you? You don't like it anyway. Unused variable could be renamed to underscore, which I did, right? Solution number 2. But that's what I told you I'm doing. Oh. Suppress. Use alternative syntax. How alternative is this? This is the same, but yeah, thank you. Again, let's do suppress. This is in warning. Oh. Get line 18. So it is not super unhappy about this one, but it still doesn't like warnings. Oh, whatever. This is not suppressing anything. Okay, what it actually has problems with is in line 19 here. So in this one. We might avoid this warning. 19, 18. Oh, okay. You are having problem with this because it's never used. Nice. Cool. That is not a problem. Result, map, progress. So, when we're retrieving a key from cell priority map, let's check if we are... Welcome back to the stream, bad scene. Where is the game? I will finish this daily question from LeetCode, and if I will finish it before 2, I will do some gaming. Those are new rules, I'm sorry. So let's do some progression in result map here. So if key here is greater than... let's do this an index. Is greater than result map keys, not keys, get let's say key, no, index. Value. equals keys. I don't need this anymore. So if result map progress value is less than current level, no, actually, another thing is variable current cover. Current cover, we will start with 0. So while key is greater than result map progress, nice catch here, progress value, we do the next. We take this result map and we set key I love development. I'm a student of information technology high school, but halfway out. Still love to be a dev, but now I'm 35. Still can be. Yeah, I mean, why not? This is like programming is the way of describe, like programming language or script is the way of describing algorithm. It's just one of the ways. You can describe it in any language, you can describe it with math, with whatever. And language or script is one way of describing some algorithm. And you're using algorithms on your daily basis. Like, I will describe you the algorithm that you're using pretty often, most probably. You create a list of shopping, you go to the shop, you go through the list of the through the shopping list, you pick up all the items in you pick up basket, you pick up all the items into the basket, you go to the cashier and you pay for the basket and you come home. This is an algorithm that you're using pretty often on daily basis, and I bet you're not figuring it out every day, like how to get some items I need at home. You're reusing something you figured out days, months, years ago, and you optimize this process throughout of your life. You can write it down on the paper in the way you will understand it. And you can write it down on a paper using language or the script. These are just tasks that are easy to interpret in script and that are know-how connected to actual like everyday life. So yeah, you can figure out being a programmer because all of us are in a way. So said in my country, when you're over 30, they will not recruit because they can find another younger. Like a student, new graduates, you can find a job when you're old here. I am 35. Next month I will be 36. And I'm currently laid off and I'm looking for work, remote one worldwide. Obviously I have a lot of experience being a developer, but yeah, you can try to find something online as well, doing remote. That might be a good start. You can join some open source project and try to figure out some tasks there, and then use that as your experience. Here is a disclaimer. I'm not an advisor in developer career, so take everything I'm saying with a grain of salt. Sorry. So, current cover. Yep. That is the thing. Result map set, blah blah. Now we need to iterate to the next result map entrance, which should be result map index ++, and we will create and update this to this. So this is how we're traversing result maps, and this should be enough. The only problem with this particular approach... Oh, I would need it anyway every time. I would need to do this once more in the very end after the while. And I will describe you why. Like, we can cover everything here. Like, let's assume we will have a number 2 in this result map, like the only number 2. So yeah, let's just make it an example here. So 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, and like simply 2 here. We will cover. Okay, this is, yeah, I'm not showing anything. So if in this example I will like enter number 8, this will never be triggered, and we will exit this while covering everything. So ooh, even more than that. Here should be an early exit. I need to exit. Oh god, map set. Oh god. Okay, now let's turn this into if first. If key is blah blah. And here if we'll update it, if result map index more or equal than result map keys dot last index break. So we're exiting from this file, and here we will do this like do this thing while. Do they have the while? Kotlin do while. Kotlin do while. I'm actually from 1989, so I'm older than you. Ooh, deal with it. It's okay, my friend. I will not disturb your work. Good luck, bro. You're not disturbing me. Yeah, sorry if I said something that would be pointing to that. You're not disturbing me. If you have any questions, just drop them into the chat. If you have suggestions, you can backseat me. I am learning here as well. Like, I'm no expert in algorithmics. I do think I'm decently strong, but my knowledge base is pretty low. There is tons of things. There is always a lot of unique solutions for unique problems, and I'm not really know many of those. I learned yesterday that you can. So basically, give me a second. I learned yesterday. Okay. Wiki majority vote algorithm. So I learned this algorithm yesterday by resolving the problem. I resolved it suboptimally, but then I checked the tasks that are super fast, and I learned that you can find the majority vote from array through one traversal and one extra storage, basically, which is super cool. Do they have an example here? Okay, majority vote algorithm example. Oh, I mean, I have it here, right? Do I? Yeah, this is it. You're going... Okay, this is weird implementation. Okay, it's the same implementation. Yep, give me a second. I will reopen my stuff. I just copied it from somewhere. So you get a candidate, count to 1, and if like current candidate is equal to the candidate, you are increasing the... You should start with 0, I think. It doesn't matter. This one is just working. You increase the count of this candidate, or you decrease if it's like current candidate is different. And if a count like less than... If count is 0, you switch the candidate to the current one and do the same counting stuff again. And this is crazy. It can result... It can finish with the candidate who doesn't have majority, but then you do like another traversal and you check the frequency, and if that frequency is high enough, you know that it's like, if the frequency is higher than the half of the of this list, then you got the majority vote. Yeah, I learned it yesterday basically as I was submitting C++ this. I pressed in here and it showed me the code example, which expected to be taking like 15 milliseconds, but I have added some modifications to it and mine is working in 10 milliseconds. So I optimized on top of it. So I learned new algorithm yesterday and I have applied some of the knowledge I used for the same task on top of that algorithm. So yeah, learning through practice is great, in my opinion. I like it, at least. So where is that do while? Conditions loop. Do while. Do while. Do while. Awesome. Where am I? Am I here? I'm here. Okay, I actually need to do while here. So do while. No, and I will break from this again. What the is this? Okay, so this is stupid now. I will return to my previous solution. So this will be while. And I will have to repeat this twice, or like Kotlin break from nested loop. For blah, 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 break. This is a weird code, but okay. Inline functions. Jumps. Loop for break loop. Amazing. So I need to do something like, do I need it loop at? I need it in the same lane. Main loop break main. I'm not increasing index, but I want. Oh, and I'm not increasing the value. Yeah. So these are secondary. I'm updating result map. I'm checking if this is thing, and I'm breaking. Okay, let's run it just in case. This is not supposed to be working still. I thought I have resolved this, but okay, line error unresolved. 19. Match group collection. Oh, the value should be get by this key. Yep. Now line 19, unreferenced reference keys. Result map keys. Just some syntaxes errors. Type inference failed. The value of the type parameter k should be mentioned in input types, argument types, receiver type, or expected type. Try to specify it expect. Okay. Let's copy these into here. Let's copy these. Into here. I will probably finish the code in here first, and then we'll figure it out. Get operator method providing array access. Result map key keys mutable set integer. Result map progress index. Result map is sorted map of int to integer. So if I take keys, this should be integer, right? Okay, maybe get by index or something. Oh, we can do value by index, right? Keys last index, keys set, keys by index. Set by index? Is there set key value? I don't understand this. The expression cannot be selector, cannot occur after a dot. So what is this value? Get key? Mutable collections. No get operator method provided array access. Okay, values, get. Okay, whatever. I need to iterate through the keys. Index. Why can't I do get key? Cool. Result map keys. This is a LeetCode. I'm just using the editor. What's this? Keys. I'm having the same code in here. It's easier to figure out the syntax here. Okay. Oh, okay, I got it. Result map. Iterator equals result map e t. My God. What is sorted map? Okay, let's close almost everything. Like literally everything. So Kotlin, sorted map, iterator. Yeah, I don't know. I don't want for each, I want iterator. I want to iterate it on my own pace. Iterator. Key set, values, entry set. Okay. Entry keys. Let's check this out. Oh, I can do like keys iterator. No, I need entries. Entry. Okay, you know what? I'm done with this map. I will represent this map with like result values, result result queries, and result queries, and result values. So this will be our map. This will be var whatever. Let's do variable. This will be queries sorted as sorted or whatever sorted, and this will be array of and queries size filled with zeros. Yeah. So this is our map now. Here we will have result map iterator. Here we will have result somehow this result values typo. Do you have any GitHub open source project? No, unfortunately, or fortunately, I don't have any, I believe. I mean, nothing I'm actively working on. I do have like few games here and there. I have private GitHub with few games developed in there. Okay, so result index is equal to 0. So here key is the thing. If key is more than result queries by result index, we will do result values by the result index, and we will assign what was there? This current cover. Then we will check if result index is greater than result whatever queries or values, more than or equal than last index, and we will break to main at while. Let me copy this in here. Okay, I will copy it fully. Into this. I don't know why I'm doing this, but this is what is happening right now. Oh yeah, I know why I opened that up. Current index. I was checking this. Kotlin break from nested loops. Returns and jumps. Loop. Yeah, I need a space there. Here, while. I need space here as well. Wow. Cool. So does this work? Yeah, it doesn't. Result value. Result. Thank you. Now I understood what you mean by the typo. Finger up. So result value. Blah blah. Result map progress. No, not like this. Result index plus plus. And I don't need result value. I'm receiving it from this. From one access. Result. Oh god. Values. Result values. Cool. No worries. Let's try it out now. Result map. Oh, I don't need this now. I'm doing it through sorted. Result map. Result values. Oh god. Okay. So here I will be doing something different. Result values accessed by result queries. And find. Does this exist? Index of index of. And now, god, that was index of. Queries by index. Or we can do query. Query? Is it query? Inquiries, and basically make this plus equal. No, get away. Plus equal, and this we will do query and remove indexes. Okay, cool. Queries. Zero. Value cannot be reassigned. Awesome. Oh my god. Index 2 out of bound for length 2. Main 74. I don't know where 74 is. It's here. Index of query. Result values. Result queries. Queries sorted. Oh god, this is cool. Print ln. Let's type out query. Then we'll type out this. And before that, oh, and this will be enough, I think. I hope. Five, 6. 1, 2. 5, 6. Index of returns 1, 2. 5, 6. 5, 6. Index of 5 is 0. It's not 1. Okay, I think sorted. Kotlin sorted. Array list. It returns list. Index of. Oh yeah. And result values. For some reason is not full enough. Println result values and connect to string, content to string. Oh, let's call this now. Result values 3, 0. Array of. No, this is what I need. Okay, I got it. Array. Got it? Okay, no error now. What do we want next? So yeah, let's check. Let's copy this back to this thing. And yeah, the last thing that left for me, as I'm traversing through the result queries, I'm traversing through all the neighbors of the plane. The last thing that is left did anything left? What's the output? 0, 0, 0. Oh, is improving current cover value by 1 in here, where we mark the visited things. So this should be working now. Sorry? Oh, I could have done that in here. Awesome, I didn't know. I can do output like that. Okay, it is not working, and we will figure out why in a second. So we don't need this, we have checked it already. Hello, me player. A result index. Yeah, let's go like this. Oh no! Pressed wrong button. And enter it once again. Result index. Current cover. And let's do as well a request query by result. So we will print out this thing here. Yeah, let's run this. What do you code? Here's the task. Basically, it's kind of figuring out. You're provided the plane, and you provided the height of the water, and you need to figure out how much of this plane you will be covering with that water from the top left cell. And on top of this rule, you're provided with like list of queries, so multiple levels of water, and you need to provide a list of answers, how much you will cover with this, with this, with this. So yeah, what I'm doing right now, I'm ordering this input and figuring out how much I will cover with this. Then from the state of this, I'm checking how much I will cover with this, and then with this. And then in the end, I reconfigure the output again to match the input order. Yeah, that's pretty much it where am I right now. Everything should be present in this algorithm, but it's not working even by a little. So I'm figuring out where am I falling off. Okay, we're never here. That is interesting. Key. We never hear. What is going on? No. Cool. So where is this function? Funny function. String something. Okay, let's oh, okay. So probably this is not working. Awesome. That took me a while to figure out. I did this line of code so long time ago, I already forgot that it could be a problem. Code looks very hard. Like this part is basically repeating if I can go. This part is basically checking if from this thing I can go up, right, down, and left. So this is super simple. Everything, this is basically traversing through the priority map that I created, which is basically when you here, you add these two cells to priority map. And when you here, you add this one with priority 3 and this one with priority 5. So then you're processing 3s and 3s, adding another 5th to the priority. When you're processing 5s, you add 1 and 7 to priority, and then you will be checking the 1 first and then switching to the 7. So this is this priority map thingy. Okay, sorted map. Let's go. Kotlin. Sorted map. Get or put or whatever. Get. Oh, get or put. Yeah, that's what I want. Get or put. Get or put here. I also want get or put here, 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 and here. Let's. Oh no. Yeah, I mean, who cares? Boop, 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 boop. Oh, cell priority map. Get or put. Whoa. Yeah, and nothing is working there as always. Okay, so here get or put for sure. What is this? List cell priority map. by key. But I know that this is existing, so I'm not putting anything. Actually, get or put. I mean, I can do get here, because it doesn't matter what I will use here, because I know this is existing anyway. So while list empty, this is get or put. Okay, let's try to run it. Mismatch. Mutable list. Oh, mutable list of, and here I can simply do pair 0, 0. Get or put. Woo! So I don't need even this add stuff. So I actually just need to put here because the map is empty here. This is value. Okay. So here I'm using put. Here it doesn't matter, but I need to provide something for like null pointer cases. Pair -1 -1. Presence. Now again, get or put. Oh, and here mutable list of empty stuff. No. Yeah, empty stuff should be the thing here. Do I need to specify this stuff? I wonder. Yeah, I need to specify here. Argument type mismatch. Actual type is mutable list pair int, but function mutable list pair int was expected. What? Getter default was working just fine, right? Here. Awesome. And put for some reason is not working. Getter default returns v, and this returns v as well. I should be using this. Okay. I mean, it's weird, but whatever. Yeah, it's probably like that is not working with the parameters. Cool. We are moving here. Index 2 of bound to length, and where is it? Pair second, while pair visited grid. Pair first, pair second. Index 2 out of bound for length 2. both M and N supposed to be Greenland. And God, I'm not going to play the game today again. I still have hour and a half. MN22. Last index. Oh no. +1. +1. Yeah, okay. That makes sense. Yeah, I'm using them often in here. And this is the only place I'm using them, so I'm not going to have separate variables. Once create addition here. Oh, actually I don't need addition here. To be honest, I can inline these values. So I can do size here. And size here. Here. And here. And I don't think I'm using them anywhere else. No get operator method provided array access. God. Why it was working before? So oh god, why is it highlighted? Okay, the wrong find triggered. Why grid 1.1 is working just fine? Oh, I didn't specify that this is the Boolean stuff, right? Boolean array. Cool. Okay, let's do some more. Bring the land. This happened. Can remove this. This is in theory is working. No need to see that log. So this happened. Pair. Yeah, that was too fast. So key 1, pair first, pair second, current cover 1. Then we switch into we are re-adding I see the problem. I have re-added yeah, I see. I have re-added it a lot of numbers into this. Why into the same set? Key. Oh, get or put not the key, but the value. But the value of this result queries. Value. No. I need visited grid. I'm never using the grid, right? Yeah, I'm never using the grid. So yeah, here I shouldn't be adding by the key, I should be adding by grid. By basically this. Where the grid is small. By key. Cool. Add, get or put. Add pair. Yeah. And this should be working now. It can be working at any moment. 996. Is that the correct answer? It is not. It should be 581. Key. Result index 6. Two, 5, 6. Okay, so we're traversing this in the correct order. Cover 5. Current cover 6. So it should be 581. 0. This is super weird because current cover is 6 for result index 2, which means like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5. These are for the... Oh no, for 2 it is 6. This is 1, 2. Yeah, I'm adding the thing way too often. So let's see why am I doing this stuff too often. So again, we're entering here into the empty list with 0, 0. Visited grid is not true, so we are not pressing continue. Visited grid per first second sets to true. So 0, 0 we are not going to count ever. We're increasing current cover to 1. And then we add 2 neighbors, ideally. 0, 1 and 1, 0. Here they are. 0, 1 and 1, 0. 0, 1 and 1, 0. They are 2 and 2. Current cover 3. 0 and 1. This is weird. They should be added. Grid pair first, pair second, pair second. Oh yeah, here is the mistake. By the value. They should be added by this. Oh, by their value. So first -1, second -1. This is a mistake. Here +1, and here +1. I was adding them by previous value. This was a mistake. Maybe this will work. 8, 8, 3. It's still not working. So 1, 1, 1. Yeah, we're switching the key to 2. Result index. Yeah, here's the if key more or equal than the result. Yep, that will work. For sure. What's the result? 5, 8, 1. 5, 8, 1. Yay! Okay, so we can... No, we won't be removing these logs. We will copy this. Paste it in here. I guess that's cool. We will remove the logs, as we don't need them in this version. We'll run it. And it's working. Key. I didn't remove all the logs, yep. Run it again. So it's working. Let's submit it. I mean, let's test it against more. Oh yeah. This is something I was mentioning I need to do, but for some reason I didn't. So we can exit from this loop with key never above.
Beautiful.
Result with the key never overreaching the result queries. So now we have to do next. While result index is less than result queries size, let's move this to here. Remove this equal. And then we will do this while result index is less than result queries. and we will need to do this. Current cover supposed to be...
Beautiful.
Oh no, it might not be... It will be maxed out at this point. I see some optimization option here. Let's check if this will be working at first. Oh, I need to move this also. Wow. Line 3. What? Result. Query yes. Okay, cool. Oh, last index. Yeah, I forgot this to remove this as well. Yep. Let's submit this. This should be working for everything now, but there could be optimizations done. Oh, cool. The optimization I want to do is I want to create such a variable as called... Okay, we'll do it in that code first. I want to create a value, sorry, not a variable. Value named max cover, which will be equal to grid size multiplied by grid 0 size. Now I will be using max cover in here. And here I will duplicate. I mean, okay, I will not duplicate. I will do OR. I will do or result queries more. Oh, I cannot do this. I don't know what are the numbers inside of the... Yeah, I cannot do this optimization. Yeah, so the idea was that I can preliminary realize that the key is already not the key, the value from this queries is covering everything. And yeah, I can stop a little bit earlier. Let's see the algorithm that was a little bit more efficient than mine, which is like original thing. KM and grid size, K queries size. Okay, this is not so long. Value to indexes. Array K value to indexes. Yeah, this is basically my map. Done in a better way, I guess. For E in 1 until K, value indexes I 0, where is I? I. No, this is something different. This is, yeah, this seems like my map. Values to indexes. But okay, 0 is first query I from... Oh, values to indexes. So this is basically these two things, I think, where one is sorted and another is not. So value indexes sort by iterator 0. So they are sorting this thing by this. Okay, this is a slight optimization, because then in the end they... What is answers? Okay, this is a bit crazy now. So yeah, this part is like similar to what I did. In a different way. Now Q, priority Q, triple, int, where priority Q, triple. Where they first check the third one, and then yeah, where the most important thing is the basically the third parameter, and second and first are secondary. They insert into the queue offer. Zero, zero, and value, which is for me other way around in the code I have. Where is it? I am doing it through like priority map. And they have a queue. Queue pick. They introduced directions instead of doing the thing that I did, where I iterated everything in 4 ifs. Answer in the array, points 0. Oh, they are generating answer through this thing. That makes sense. That's an interesting way to do it. For int value indexes, value to indexes. So they take the ordered query, value indexes I. I don't really understand why they do this. Oh, it's because the K is already pre-populated. Okay. While Q is not empty, Q peak and third is less than value. This is basically the thing I'm doing here. So I'm doing the Q, and if key is more, I'm exiting, or like I'm doing some progression. If Q peak third value less than value, answer index points. Oh, this is fun. So yeah, they speed up the feel of the answer a bit. Or did they? Okay, what is in this value? Points plus plus. It means they add in the current thing as visited. Oh, they don't have the memory for visited. Somehow. This is interesting. Mutable set of... Oh, visited here. They have... they don't have it like I did. But this seems to be working worse in my opinion. Fuck that it was visited. Okay, let's see it further. Points plus plus. Value RC. And not taking Q poll. So they are taking this thing from the queue. For offset, C offset, R offset, C offsets in directions. They do new R, new C, R and C. Right? It doesn't matter. It's like vertical or horizontal. What is R and C? This is super weird. RC, Q poll. I don't know what R and C are referenced to. New R in 0 until M. And new C in 0 until M. Makes sense. Value, new mode. New node, triple, new R, new C. And grid, new R, new C. Yeah. If new node in visited is not in visited, visited add new node. Q offer new node. And this is working a bit faster than my thing. To be honest, I wonder what will happen if I will resubmit this. Like, I think I'm using less memory. Okay, it's pretty consistent. So, now it's more memory. So the thing is that this is taking log n. Which I am not doing this operation. I'm doing it faster, but it is visited is taking the same amount of space actually. And even more, for some reason it's triple for them. Like, you don't need... Oh, they are using new node Oh, they are saving a bit of space because this new node is both in visited. It's like a pointer from visited and pointer from the queue. Okay. Is that saving some space? That probably does. Also, their queue could be basically a heap, and that will be a bit more performant than the thing that I have constructed. Yeah, I see how they are performing a bit better, even though they perform worse in here in particular. They are optimizing the queue. Okay, yeah, I'm done with it. I have still almost an hour to play some Nest of Thorns, and this is what I will do now, finally. So now let's get rid of all of this. I might get optimized this offline later today. I will be turning off the music now and desktop audio. I will be launching the Dot again. I will start local recording. Oop. Awesome. I need to connect the controller. And whole hour of Nest of Thorns. Oh god, thank god nobody was in the Twitch chat. So Dota 2. I will need to update the game I'm playing. Now the same for YouTube. Edit. And the thumbnail, open, save. Amazing. I'm checking everything is alright still. I will update YouTube just in case. Cool. And let's do some gaming. Finally. Yeah, I could have done few sets. Yeah, I have done a bit of overkill there at some places. Oop. Controller. So I'm going to do some Shen today, as this is what I was doing last stream as well. Maybe we'll create some 2.6 million run with Shen and post it to YouTube. That's the idea. Yeah, welcome back to the stream, Black Rain. You joined just in time. I just got done with the daily task from LeetCode. So I can do one whole hour of Nest of Thorning before getting out for some daily routines. So I need Chain Frost, right? On top of these abilities I have right now, and I need the Butt Rider. Butt Rider, they say. I have a feeling that I missed Butt Rider already once or twice. Okay, I wasn't focusing on the skeletons, but I have them anyway, so this is a lucky run from this perspective. So again, I don't care about pickup radius item, as I'm having the one and only Snotty, the bat, who will do the pickup stuff for me. Yeah, unfortunately no level ups so far into Mortimer Kisses, which is clearly suboptimal, but should be decent enough for now. We'll wait in spot for the spawn of big satyrs, both of which spawned at top lane. I might pick up Yasha somewhere in the middle of all this thing, but probably it might not be a good idea to pick up Yasha before, like, not as a 6 item, because I'm basically emptying the spot for, like... I will do Snotty the Bat. This will reduce cooldown and will increase the damage, so it might do some collateral damage on the skeletons that I'm going to focus on right now. As, like, Bat does... You just seen it on the top left. As Bat does AoE damage, slow duration, physical damage 25. Now I don't care about that. Okay, let's do a roll and get Mortimer Kisses once here. Like, I really don't want level up into the Chain Frost. Like, Magic Missile is fine, but Chain Frost is, like, definitely a waste of the level up. The mini boss is awful, but it will work for me for now. Mortimer Kisses are getting its level ups, which is good. Level 7 with the Kaya level 2 should be very good, healing the skeletons on the first impact, which is great. I'm not going to summon that boss, I will summon it later. I really don't want to spend time right now walking towards the center, summoning it and coming back. Like, I will waste all this farm that I'm getting right now here. And I'm not a wasteful person whatsoever. No, why? Like, the last Mortimer could have fly to the bottom, but it didn't. Finally, I got Mortimer 9. Like, 415, like, is really bad timing for Mortimer 9, but here we are. The bot is doing the work it was assigned to, which is always great. The scores are decent so far. Crystallis, finally. Not like I needed it as soon as possible, but here we are. Okay, let's move to the center. We need to kill the bosses ASAP. And get ready for the next boss after that. The sound of growing is different for this hero, and it's really disturbing because I teached myself to not care about the growing of the sky, but this one is like distracting me. I'm receiving some information that I'm not used to receiving before, and I'm wondering if it's like something I need to learn or not. Ooh, I'm trying to avoid picking up the chest before the Aghanim. I need Aghanim first. Cool. Got track, got thing, and I will go bottom as there is a magnet there. And I want magnet. That's all I can say right now. What items am I missing? I'm missing the thing for Honda. The square thing for Honda. Yes, I guess the location of the boss, like a pro would do. The boss is amazing as well. I should be able to kill it super fast. Okay, I will go with World Chasm Artifact. I mean, like, I don't have an other option as I don't have rerolls anymore. Level 7 target is 1.2 million points. I wonder if I will manage to do that. Yeah, Magic Missile is actually what I would like to have right now. No Handa, unfortunately, but what can I say? It's not like I had the choice there. Seems like I'm not hitting the 1.2 million target, which is not that terrible, considering the fact that those targets are set for Sky and not for Vengeful Spirit. I'm though hitting 1.1 million target, which means I can finish this game with 2.6 million points. In theory, obviously. I don't think I will though, because in comparison to Sky games, I should start losing the points per minute in this instance, as I'm lacking the one extra projectile. Boop. Track. But the early game was pretty decent, and I wouldn't say like I had perfect abilities leveled up. Oh, I went outside a bit too early. That was a mistake. Yeah, I should have waited for this wave of ogres to finish, and I didn't even waited for them to start, unfortunately. If this is not 2.6 million run, blame it on me. This is my fault for sure. Okay, now that the wave has ended, I can move to the last spawn of boss, which is top pocket of mini-boss. Mini-boss, not boss. But I will definitely meet a boss in this game. At minute 8 mark, I'm still just 100k points behind the schedule. Unfortunately, I have no chance of taking Trident or Apex, and these are the items I will finish the game with, basically. That is rather unfortunate. I will finish this game. I think I will finish it at like 2.4, 2.5 million points, definitely above 2.3. And then I will... yeah, and that's it. Like, I'm fine finishing this game like this, and I also would love to see how Vengeful Spirit Shen will fare the situation where you don't have perfect items. Yeah, this I picked up Daedalus as it will be like at least some extra damage for some of my abilities. I don't remember what was the third item, but one of them was the experience, and like I don't need experience. Not at this point, like all my main abilities are already maxed out. I need Aghanim for the Chain Frost, right? And that's pretty much it. Concludes my game. I won't be making any decisions after that, except like some minor, when to pick up Magnet or when to not pick up Magnet. This Aghanim on Chain Frost will be extremely important in this game, like as I will be lacking a lot of damage. And, GG. Yep, sort of. The game has somewhat concluded, nothing to do anymore. But why the bet and not Laguna Blade for slot 5? I don't think that Laguna Blade can compensate the losses you get from not having extra projectile. And yeah, it makes sense to get that loss into pickup radius, where I can basically skip the how's it called, the World Chasm artifact early game, and like maybe through entirety of the game. I picked it this game because I was forced into it, but I could skip that item like at all. And Laguna is like, I'm losing more damage that I'm replacing with Laguna. There is like, in my opinion, I believe Laguna doesn't replace the damage, so I see no point playing Shen and not Sky, where you take Laguna instead of Sky's passive ability, innate ability. Timeless, I think. Oh yeah, Timeless was there. Yeah, Timeless, I don't like Timeless. It seems useless. It's increasing the length of maybe burn from Mortimer Kisses, which is like not the main ability for the late game, and it also increases the slow duration and stun duration, none of which I'm interested in. I would love the characters to come closer to me as soon as possible, and I think I will be able to survive the last few minutes anyway. So just finishing last few minutes of the game. I hope it won't be super difficult to survive the last wave of monsters, as I'm lacking like 20% damage from not having Trident. 25 maybe even. But the stun should be helpful in surviving. The slow from Bat as well as the Chain Frost should be helpful. Yeah, I'm not anticipating the problems, but I wouldn't be surprised with those either, to be honest. As again, lack in damage is making this case more complicated than I wanted it to be. Come on! This is a lot of damage. 8 more seconds. I am in somewhat safe space right now, as I am far from the... Yeah, I think I will spend last 2 seconds in here. Cool. 2.4, easy. Probably 2.5. Alright. Nothing tremendous here. Oh, I turned around too late. Yep, that's fine. I will use my... No, I am not using my... No. Yeah, she will die. That was a bad execution from my side. Welcome back to the stream, Jacques. Jacques. Okay, I will try something new here. Oh! Run! 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 She didn't run very well, unfortunately. Hello! Yeah, and this is the end. If only I had Trident, I would definitely cross 2.5 million. But yeah, I'm not sure about 2.6. I was like on the edge even before breaking the thing. Okay, cool. I will stop. There is like 2.4 million run with Shen. Recorded locally, recorded on stream as well. 2.678, the one that you can see on the top left. No, this was like few weeks ago, and unfortunately I don't have a record for that, so take it at what it is. And it was done with the Sky, not Shen. Okay, 12 minutes for the first level up is like more than ideal, longer than ideal, to be honest. Level ups are amazing though. Positions of chests is great, and the items are super great, and the magnet is like decent. It's not perfect, but decent, acceptable. So now we go Kaya. I will do one more level up of Magic Missile, but after that I will be using rerolls. As now I need to invest maximum into the... how's it called? The Mortimer Kisses. Reroll number 1. Reroll number 2. Reroll number 3. 4. Snotty the Bat. Yes. Thank you. I already felt like it will be reroll, reroll, reroll into next game, basically. Yeah, okay, thought you had 2.65. No. Oh, I'm still missing the Chain Frost. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this seems like the game will end up with restart, to be honest. I have no extra rerolls anymore. Okay, maybe I will spend one more on something more cool than this choice. This is fine. Snotty the Bat, Mortimer's Kisses. I do really need Chain Frost. That's a lot of damage for the late game, and that is exactly the space I will be lacking that damage because of no extra projectiles. So this is super important on Chen. Like on... how is it called? That another Dragonus. I can go with Frostbite and just like have fun into this game, but with Chen it is impossible to play without Shen. It's impossible to play without Chain Frost. Can you have a lot of magnets? Yeah, I'm not playing this, definitely. The new start is pretty good as well though. It's even better than previous one. Also I got level up sooner than last time. The abilities and the items are not as good as in last game already, but nothing to be shy of or to be sad about yet. Okay, seems like a magic missile main game here. We'll try that out with Shen. Wasn't working for Sky, but maybe it will work for Shen. Who knows? I will have to take track here to log the ability in the list. I will go with Phylactery just to log the inventory slot again. Not ideal choice, but have to take it. This game doesn't seem like the one I can throw the rerolls around. I still have at least one reroll. I again didn't notice right now. So I need a bat or Mortimer Kisses. I mean, I need both of them, but like from the next level up, it would be super nice to see bat. Yeah, bat would be the ideal. Mortimer Kisses is fine. What? Almost dead there. Where's cheese? Cheese. Yes, thank you. Nice. This game is getting back on track. Got full set of abilities. Got 4 useful items. Got 4 items locked in my inventory, which is good at this stage. Not ideal, but good. And I start investing into Mortimer Kisses, finally. I will probably, if forced, level up the Magic Missile once again. The level 4 of Magic Missile is pretty decent, right? Yeah. No, it's not decent. It is just better than level 2, but it's not decent at all. Let's go with Sench, just to log the slot and avoid rerolling. Maybe it could be a good idea to reroll at this stage in the game, considering the fact I have rerolls, but I would rather spend those... Hey! Amazing. My controller batteries died. Give me a few seconds. This always happens in the worst moment. I mean, there is never a good time for batteries to die in controller. It was Duracell, by the way. Yep, it was Duracell. I'm not using the batteries, though. I'm using these rechargeable batteries. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it? Yeah, my lighting is not set up for such things, but those are Duracell rechargeable batteries. And now I am on Energizer. Yep. And these are not working at all. Hey! Plus. Am I stupido? No. Not today. Come on, let me play a game. Wow. Yeah, I'm sorry. I will be testing the batteries live on stream. I need to understand if I messed up the packages or like I got one battery that is not working. 1.3 volts on one of them and 1.3 volts on another, so they are fully charged. 1.5 is the voltage for like batteries that are not rechargeable, and 1.3 is the voltage for the one that are rechargeable. So controller is not working, right? The heck? Seems like he got banned for his hacking. Yep, could be that as well. This is a hardware ban, by the way. I can still use the keyboard though. Okay, I'm trying these batteries once more. This seems for me like a controller issue, to be honest. I might jump start it with cable. Yeah, it's dead. What happened? Yeah, give me a sec. I will jump start it with cable and try to switch to batteries afterwards. Come on! Oh god. Yeah. So, no? Yeah, no? Yes. So basically I started it with the cable and now it can use these batteries. Whatever, like, I don't know. I mean, it's Microsoft, what can I say? This is, yep, Microsoft stuff. Seems he got, yeah. Sounds like a restart. Is in order. Maybe the game just lost connection. No. It was like purely the problem of the controller. It wasn't like starting up. So, yep. Okay, Mortimer Kisses level 4 finally. I'm a bit late level wise. I should be like level 11 already. The level 1 Kaya is also not great. Doesn't seem like I'm farming this wave efficiently. Yeah, I'm like at minute 3, 200. Yeah, I'm like at minute 3, like a lot behind the schedule. The boss is okay-ish. We'll be moving towards it a bit so I can summon it a bit earlier. I will try to not pick up that chest, but considering its position, it is like highly unlikely. You know what? I will move top. I will pick up the magnet there, if I will manage to do that in time. And I will pick up the chest later in the game. So the first mini-boss was... Yeah, I really need that magnet right now. I cannot like avoid it. Yes. This is not the perfect start of minute 4. But this will do it. Come on, Mortimer. I really need space here to play. Yeah, I'm picking up this chest because I care not about the items in chest right now. At the time I need to pick up as much as possible of the experience. So this is not time on focusing of delaying the chests. Mortimer distribution is like super awful, not gonna lie. One more death of mini boss and I got the upgrade. I really wanna preserve this chest from this mini Russian. Yep. Preserving chests is a bit more complicated having the Butt Rider. Yeah, 1.3 could be a bit low voltage from time to time. But yeah, I mean, it works after jump start. So I would put it on stupidity of the Microsoft engineering. And again, I don't think the engineers are stupid. I think the amount of time they were allowed to use and like budgets and stuff, it was stupid, so take it at that. Okay, this is a bad game now. And yeah, even the spawn of the mini boss is improper. I will do Octarine Core once, Specialist Array twice, Octarine Core twice, Yasha. Or Phylactery. I will do Yasha because I need to move to the top. Crazier, never seen that happen before. You mean jump starting, or I mean this is a typical bug with electronics, don't get me wrong. Yeah, I wouldn't say this is the crazy stuff that never happened to me. Sometimes it feels like the boss got 4 lives. Yeah. But this one had 3. I was counting this time. But this 3 felt like 4. That's true. So minute 7, I'm at less than 1 million. Okay, I'm restarting this game. Less than 1 million. Yeah, this is like too bad. Never seen the batteries not starting it up. The fun start when I just got this controller, it wasn't working with rechargeable batteries either. So, like, I don't know. And then I was like super surprised when it worked somehow. I'm not sure if it really, if it will work with 1.5 volts, like with normal batteries. But yeah. Maybe it's just this controller problem, I don't know. This is, by the way, not the current gen controller. This is the last gen. So like from PS4 era. I mean, it's Xbox controller, but I have no idea what is like Xbox One, Series... I mean, Series X is the last one, right? But I'm not playing that game. Like, I cannot bother more figuring out which version is which. PlayStation 4 is the version that I stand by. Era of PlayStation 4. And before Microsoft will figure out their with Xbox, I will be referencing to console eras as PlayStation ones. That's my stance. Locking the Specialist Array is a huge disadvantage right now. But other than that, the score and the level seems alright to me. Okay, let's do Snotty the Bat level up once, so it will be killing the skeletons in one shot. Items are awful. Snotty! No? Snotty! No? Leroy Jenkins! I got the... yeah, Bluetooth never worked for me either. I'm using it over, like, whatever, like, controller that is using, like, native thing for Xbox. Like, it's little USB stick stuff. So I have been trying out the Bloodstone for the last item update. It seems to be helping with the last minute or so with the Mortimer's Kisses. It's maybe connected to for 10 seconds before disconnecting. Oh, the problem was that it wasn't lighting up. Like, it wasn't responding to, like, Xbox button. It wouldn't be bothered to get in the turn on state. It wasn't about connection. Oh, you mean like Bluetooth? Bluetooth, yeah, I never figured that out. I don't know. Had problem with Bluetooth as well. Okay, maybe I'm remembering this not well. But I wasn't able to set up it with Bluetooth some time ago. Also, Bluetooth is like they're using some delay comparing to this like native solution. So yeah, not going to be bothered like trying to set up Bluetooth while I have this dongle that imitates the native connection. The boss is awful, but location is great. Not gonna lie. Woo. Octarine core, nice. Yeah, I can't use one more roll, unfortunately. And I don't think that I need Mortimer Kisses level 9 at this stage. I might get level up in the next 30 seconds, and then I would need that Mortimer Kisses. So nothing terrible happened yet. The points are not good at all. Yeah, this probably can be attributed to the lack of Specialist Array level 4. Level 2, sorry. I only have level 1. Was it a good distribution of Mortimer Kisses? I don't think so. Can I do something about that? I don't think so. But finally I got Mortimer Kisses, level 9. And some awful item choice on top of that. Oh yeah, this was a great distribution of Mortimer's Kisses. Definitely. And I might be dying here. Woohoo! Can I have a cheese, please? Do I do truck? No, I don't. And at this stage, I'm not leveling up the. Oh, I already have Bat Rider level 2, so this is a Chain Frost time. Although I would like to have Magic Missile leveled up before getting any updates in Chain Frost. Oh, by accident, I have left the chest behind, so I didn't pick it up, which is great. And I'm spending way too much time killing this mini-boss, to be honest. Minute 5, I had less than 700,000 points, which is extremely bad. I'm looking into restarting this game now. Like, I can see how I can, like, turn this into a successful game, to be honest. Okay, let's go with the Sench and Crystallis. If the next mini-boss won't be in the center, I'm going to restart this game. Okay, 2 worst bosses you can find are already out, so the last boss will be nice and easy. But yeah, there is no point playing this already. Yeah, I'm not going to play this. This has no chance of successful game, but now I can see the time, and it's time for me to end. If I have seen it before restarting the previous game, I would finish previous game. I hope I will be able to finish this one. And this one might be way better than previous one. Do I go with Octarine Core or Kaya? I will go with Octarine Core, as I do need a really good start. And I mean, like, way before I get to 230 wave of skeletons. Yep, and this is the perfect set of first 2 items. Not the perfect order though, but whatever. I really felt bold to, like, pick up Octarine Core, but yeah, that feeling didn't last for long. Again, I need to... I should have taken the bet, by the way, here. So yeah, this will be the last game probably, unless I will start, like, turning into, like, super unlucky run. But yeah, I will be finishing it and finishing the stream afterwards. Chain Frost, good, good. Oh no, yay. I thought I have messed up with the skeleton on the left. I will go with Yasha here for sole purpose of locking it in inventory, and the bat. Ooh, almost picked that Mortimer Kisses. That would be an awful choice. So yeah, I will be finishing this game no matter what. It is pretty lucky. I will start using rerolls for investment into Mortimer Kisses. This is the most important ability right now. Items we will see. I would love to see next 2 items to be Kaya and Kaya 2. But yeah, not sure. Skeletons are not going to respawn anymore, so I need to secure the last skeletons without them despawning, which I did. Finishing minute 2 with 97,000 points, which is not bad, but again, not ideal. But that shouldn't be a problem. I have a lot of rerolls, I have decent level, so I should be able to recuperate 10k that I lost in the first 2 minutes from the next... from the, like, big wave of skeleton, basically. That's my expectation. Mortimer Kiss is level 6. This is great for 230. Yeah, but Raider has slowed everyone, but didn't kill. But prepared the kill for Mortimer. Mortimer level 7 should not be... Oh, it's insta-killing the skeletons. I got another magnet, right? Yes. Not ideal, but whatever. Noticed it too late. Mortimer Kiss is maxed out before minute 3, which is great timing. Can invest into magic missiles now. Pretty bad bows, which will make me stay in this place for the next 2 minutes, basically, almost. I am not going to move to summon it. I will be picking up and killing it later anyway. The wave of skeletons has finished. We'll go pick up everything they left behind. I do feel using reroll right now for Magic Missile, as this will... I will try to take Magic Missile Aghanim upgrade as the second Aghanim upgrade, and investing into Magic Missile right now will increase the bonus damage from it, from Aghanim upgrade. I will go with Specialist Ray here, as my main ability right now would be Mortimer Kisses, and it's already maxed out, so there is no need in extra damage for skeletons. Yet, Magnet. I would love to avoid it for at least some time, but I will pick it up pretty soon, as I need to be in that place where it lies. Yeah, I'm picking up the Magnet right now, and this game looks great, to be honest. What are we points-wise? Yeah, I'm not going to invest more rerolls. Magic Missile is level 8 already. That is pretty great level. I really want to invest... Okay, I will go Phylactery here. Magic Missile maxed out. So, yeah, I wanted to go the Octarine Core, but then I realized I can invest into Kaya instead of Octarine Core, and yeah, that's what I will do. So with Sky, if you pick Apex early and take the bat to help you get pretty much points, I lose, as you know, because of my FPS, but you should try it once. Picking up Apex makes the chance of you getting proper abilities by a lot, by significant amount, basically. So if you feel lucky, yes, but like even without Apex, I didn't have a decent game on Sky for quite a while. So yeah, I don't feel like doing that. And yeah, I mean, if the game forces me into Apex, I'm taking the Apex, but I will not subject myself to that on purpose. Where is the chest? The chest is on the bottom. Okay, I will try to avoid picking it up, as I need the upgrade for track first. Now that I have it, I will pick it up, and I will move to the top. Crystallis. I will take Crystallis, and from the next mini Roshan, I might get the... I will take this Magnet right now. And if there will be spawn on top, I will go on top. Yes. Perfect. Not just yes, but perfect. There is another Magnet in the center right now. I did not focus the baby Roshan, which is rather unfortunate, but yeah, I couldn't have stayed there for long. Okay, early Khanda will allow me to kill more monsters with Magic Missile, and thanks to that I will get more extra damage on Magic Missile. 24 is not impressive at all. Okay, so I will spend the next few minutes in here till 7:45. Then I will go pick up that magnet. And then I will go to the bottom where the last mini boss will be spawned and where I will spend the rest of the game. So that's the game plan here. Please, Kaya, please, Kaya. Actually, Sange will work as well. Or Apex. Sange, yes. And Kaya, nice. These are decent abilities and skills at this point of the game. I am a bit behind points-wise at minute 7. It's like lower than 1.2, but it's enough for the 2.6 million run. Could be enough. I'm not sure if it is enough. Few magnets here and there might change the outcome by a lot. By 24,000 case actually. I can die here from these stupid spirits, white spirits. Okay, gonna pick up as much as I can in this area and going to move for the magnet and then for the another pocket, for the pocket on another side of the map. Mini boss pocket, I mean, in particular. Yeah, I don't think I will be able to pick up that magnet through this empty space. Octarine core, Yasha, nice. All of this is good. Magnet is great. Level is great. And I should be on time to the next spawn of mini boss. I can even spend some time in here to avoid extra damage, as I believe there are spirits again. I have Khanda. I have Trident for sure. I need Apex. And with lesser priority than Apex, I need the World Chasm artifact, right? So that's the idea here. I really would like to pick up the boss, mini boss Aghanim first, and then yeah, that will work, because this is like securing me Chain Frost upgrade, and now I can get Apex without fears. Okay, World Chasm artifact it is. I will not be upgrading it. From the next Baby Roshan I will have Trident, which is a bit late. I got the magnet. I think this is a decent timing for the magnet right now. I haven't had one since I got in the middle. There is another magnet. This is a magnet rich game, which is often a good sign. Getting Trident at 10-15, 10-16. Not great, but nothing bad either. Like if first two mini bosses would be swapped, so I had the meatball first and then the archer, I would have Trident before minute 10, and that would be perfect. So minute 11 target is 2.14 millions. And I'm like 150 behind that target. Apex, yay! Just in time. Laguna Blade probably is a good choice here. Yep, I don't think... I really don't want to use reroll and having no Laguna Blade and something else. Something I will appreciate less than Laguna Blade. I will keep the magnet for a bit later. I wanna spend I want the, like, at minute 12 there will be a lot of satyrs for dropping expensive crystals. I believe they provide more points, but I cannot be sure 100% about this. And then after this wave at like 12 something, I will pick up the magnet. I hope I will have another baby Russian. Okay, so now I will pick up the magnet. Or no, they are still coming. Are they coming till 12:15? I'm fine with that, that is great. Okay, now it is time. We got the magnet. There is a lot of cheeses on the left. I will try to move a bit here so I can pick them up one by one and not like all of them at once. Minute 12 should be 2.32 million points. I'm a little bit behind that. Oh god. This is a lack of damage. Oh yeah, I mean, this is like almost 20% of damage missing thanks to the lack of innate ability of Sky, right? So I have wasted all the cheeses, I believe. Okay, but this is the end anyway. This game is like not better than the previous one. This is weird. Or is it? Yeah, it's not better than the previous one. They will stay here. This is like 12 to 15k points, thanks to the spawn of skeletons. Spawn them and run. She's not good at running. Nice stream, have a nice day. Thank you, Jacquees. Have a nice game. Have a nice day as well. And a nice game, if you have any. Going so fast. Come on. This is unfair. Literally. God, she's so useless. Not 2.5 million even. Yep, that was a bad prediction by me. Need to adjust to playing Chen. Anyway, thanks everyone for coming to the stream. We got resolved some LeetCode challenge today. Daily challenge. And we had an hour of playing the games. I hope I will see you next time. See you. Bye.